we are going to Tower Hill for our fourth flight. So to reach Tower Hill, you have to take a higher Tata Sumo or a cab from Rangoli. It's approximately 8-kilometer rough drive to the top of the hill, and then from there you have to trek approximately 1 kilometer to reach the launching site. And so see you at the launching site. So if you don't want to fly, you can come here for a weekend trek, camp around here, but please carry water because there is no source of water at the launching site. And you can spend a day, walk through the forest, relax, chill out, go for a tandem jumps or solo flights. And so it makes this place like Kamset one of beautiful weekend destinations, especially for the people who are residing in Pune or Bombay. Kamset is not much far from Lonavala. It's like nearby, so you can also go to Lonavala, Khandala. You can see the tower, and upon this launching site name is given as Tower Hill. So today I am at Tower Hill, Kamset, Pune. This place is quite famous among the paragliders, and people come here for solo flying as well as who are not solo flyers. They can come and enjoy tandem rides. It will cost you approximately 2,000 to 2,500 bucks. And this location like this launching site is known as Tower Hill because behind me you can see there is one tower. Upon that significance of that tower being present here, this launching site named as Tower Hill. So today is 3rd of February 2021, and 10 paragliders came here to enjoy the flight, and we are now preparing up, and the winds are a little bit strong, so we are waiting to get it lower so that we can have a pleasantful flight, because few of them among us are the beginners. So by that time, this place is, apart from paragliding, apart from that you can also come for a short trek, and it is like a beautiful trek site. It's like approximately 6 or 7 kilometer trek through the forest. So you can come up on the hill and you can have a good time and a kind of picnic kind of thing. You will enjoy the view. It's like a top of the hill. The ridge is quite flat here, and from here you can look around the whole city. So enjoy the view, and while I prepare myself for my flight. So today it was a wonderful flight. It was almost like a 25 minutes flight, and I got good thermals, and it was a nice day overall. So maybe tomorrow or today afternoon we'll try one more. So keep checking, and you're most welcome. If you want to try paragliding, you can come visit Kamset, Himachal. Like so many places are there. Otherwise you can comment me, I can give you information. So keep checking and keep exploring. So all the paragliders are in. So we are off for the day. See you in the afternoon. So for today we will be halting at Nirvana Adventures Camp. That's a beautiful location, you can see around. And there are like tented accommodation. You can have your tents, and like somebody is pitched down there, and you can have your private rooms as well as dormitory system is also available. So as well as dormitory is also available. So we have decided to take a dormitory of 4 people, and today flight was good, and now we are going to take a swim in nearby lake, and it's also a beautiful location. So let me take you there. Behind me you can see the beautiful lake. So today we'll be going for a swim here with my buddies. You can see my buddies there, and few more are coming down from the room. So after the flight, today we're gonna relax here, sitting at the bank of this lake. We'll do a short swim and then get ready for the evening walk. So now we are at Kamset. We are enjoying in Badi Badi Lake. So today morning we had a nice flight from Tower Hill, and now we have planned our stay at Nirvana Adventure Camp. And behind the camp there is a beautiful lake, so you can come around and swim here and have fun. So our bonfire is ready, the Wadai Lake. So we're gonna sit here for some time and then move back to our room. Enjoy the night. It's always beautiful to sit under the open sky with the full of stars beside a lake and the forest lurking behind you. Uncle Kamset.
near Kamshet.
You can see our bike is there, and it's like approximately 15-20 minutes trek. View is beautiful. It's a beautiful 360-degree view from here, and this place is not much far away from where we're staying. So you can see there in the cave, you have to reach there. Monsoon, you can see the waterfall, but right now it's dried up. So we have almost reached the cave. Pal Cave are basically 2nd century Buddhist caves, but this is not as famous as the Karla and Bhanja caves, which are located like approximately 20-25 kilometers from this place. But if you wish to enjoy a bit of mountain trek, some good view, you can always walk down to this place, and very less tourists come during this time. I think probably I have reached the caves. Yes. So you can see this is Pal Caves. These are some old ancient engravings. Pigeons. My friend is just approaching. So these are the small spaces created by Buddhist monks for meditating. So finally we are at Pal Caves, which is located in Pali village of Kamshet, state Maharashtra, India. And it is like if you come to ever Kamshed, from Kamshed it's like 3-4 kilometers, and then you have to trek up approximately 15 to 20 minutes. You can reach this peaceful and secluded place.